Hey everybody. So today I wanted to jump into Codewars and just do a quick video on one of the katas that I haven't done before. So, and we'll be focused on Python in this one. So this is just a fun kind of video, real quick to do a challenge, and then yeah. So I'm gonna go here and just search for a new one. I think I'm gonna do a 7 because I know those won't be too difficult and they'll be pretty quick. So 8 is the easiest. 1 is the hardest, or at least takes the longest to finish. There's just a lot more involved at those lower levels. So I'm gonna do the most completed, and I do most completed because that means that it's probably pretty vetted. Like there's not going to be a lot of issues that we may run into. So with that, what I'm going to do is scroll down and find one that I haven't done yet. The little checkbox up here means that I've done it. Okay, some of the two lowest positive integers. So and right off the bat, I think this should be pretty easy. So it's just a matter of summing up the two lowest integers. In this example, it's 7. So let's go in here and, oops, let me switch this to Python. So I've been practicing C Sharp recently, so I've been trying to, get in there and try some stuff out in C Sharp and see what I know and what I need to learn. I'm going to open up, if you've seen these before, I like to use Jupyter, so I'm going to open up the Anaconda prompt and then type in Jupyter notebook. And then that'll open up Jupyter. And then I'll just do a brand new one. Okay, so in this case, the two lowest numbers are 2 and 1, and that the output should be 3. So what I think, because you can order a list, so I'm just going to call this L. I don't, I think if we see what all the different functions we have, there might be one that'll order. Yeah, so sort. So sort. Oops, not K. So I think it's a function. And then all we have to do is just do, we could just do sum of and just do a slice through. Before I do that, I'll just make sure that we're slicing it right. So the output should be 3. Okay. I think that should be the answer for this this problem. So I'll paste it in here. We'll rename some of these variables, and then we'll just return. So that should that should do it. So let's go down here and test this. Alright, so it's passed the first 3 tests. Now let's attempt it. Hopefully it goes through all of them. So there it is. You can see some of these are massive lists. So this was actually a really easy one. This could have been just an 8 Caillou probably. So in this case, and if I just break it down, what we did was we used the sort method on the numbers, and then what that does is it will sort that list, and then what we do is we just do a slice of the first 2 items, or the first 2 numbers, and then we just use this sum function to just sum those 2 numbers up, and then we return that value as our answer. So, and that's it. So that was a really quick one. I'll do more of these, and the idea behind these, if you don't know, is just to show my method of figuring this out. So sometimes that will be jumping into Jupyter Notebook, jumping into Google and searching and stuff like that. So it's just my way of just showing you guys kind of my workflow, so that you can learn from it and stuff. So, and also if you want, you can join my clan. I really like this tool. I think it's really powerful. I know there's other options out there. This one for me is a lot of fun. But if you want to join, check out the BIM coordinator. You can find it. I think by searching it somewhere on here. But check that out if you want to join. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.